Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your environment. Make sure Python 3, 7 or newer is active and your editor supports themes. Once done, create a virtual environment if you want isolated settings. This keeps experiments safe. Next, install any UI libraries you'll test dark themes with, for example, a GUI toolkit or terminal color package. Finally, open your project in the editor and locate theme or settings panels, so you can apply a dark scheme as the very next action. You now apply the chosen dark theme in the editor and immediately inspect readability across Python files. If syntax colors obscure identifiers, tweak token colors in settings, adjust contrast for comments, strings, and keywords. Make sure integrated terminal and linter messages also follow the dark palette so errors remain visible. If using a framework with its own style sheet, override CSS or style files to force dark backgrounds and lighten text. Once configured, save theme settings to your workspace for consistency. You finish by saving and exporting your workspace theme so other projects use the same dark profile. Make sure to test the setup on multiple monitors and in different ambient lighting to catch contrast problems. If something looks wrong, disable extensions one by one to find conflicts, clear editor cache, and restart. These steps often resolve stubborn color glitches. If errors persist, revert to default and reapply custom changes incrementally so you can isolate the exact setting that caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.